Hey guys, in this video you will learn how to hide your Instagram likes on Instagram. You can hide your likes on any iPhone and any Android device. I have updated this video to work for 2022. If you appreciate me making a video just like this, just give me a like for the YouTube algorithm. Each like helps a lot because it gets us a few more views. Subscribe if you're new and comment down below if you have any questions around the video. Maybe there's someone you want to hide your likes from. Now I'll show you exactly 2 ways how to do it. Okay, let's get started. First step is go on your Instagram obviously, click on your profile picture and next click on 3 dashes at the top right corner. Go over to settings, click privacy and on top you can see private account. This option, when you toggle it on, only your followers will be able to see your photos and videos. Now click blue button. This is the first way how to do it. The second option I will show you allows you to hide your likes just from some people. Okay, to do it just searching his name, clicking on it, clicking the 3 dots and either blocking, restricting him or from the comments if he comments on your post, muting him. These are the 2 easiest ways to do it. If this video helped you out, give me a like and subscribe for my channel and I want to see you in next video. Bye.